Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can insert the SIM card at a Nokia 3.2. So for that we need next to the phone the pin, and the pin you will find it at the box here. Before there's a plastic film on it, I have removed it already, and then you remove just the pin like this. And otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And there's a hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, and as you can see, you are able to enter two SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. So let us start with the first SIM card. You will put it here in the middle, like this. So missing corner on missing corner, and the contacts are below. So if you want to enter a second SIM card, you can do that also with a nano size. You put it here in front, also missing corner on missing corner, and the contacts are also below. Okay, and if you want, you can also extend the storage with the micro SD card. That is here the last position. Has to look like this then finally, and the contacts are below. Of course, you can use also the micro SD card with just one SIM card. Okay. This construction we put back into the phone like this. Be carefully that nothing jumps out. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in them. Just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.